Graduated in 99, great time for that. And he said, Dennis, I want you to think about this. What happens when code can write code? And to me, that was like a crazy notion. Like, what do you mean code writing code? Like, and here we are.
Here we are.
Right? Code is writing code.
Code is writing code.
So I'm in awe of that type of forward thinking like that. As I've grown older, obviously I form my own views and my own projections. But what about like your history? Do you have like any in your academic history? Do you have anybody who really influenced you, or a white paper, or a course, anything like that?
Yeah, and I'm glad you mentioned that. And so I'm gonna put some context around AI in a way that makes it maybe a little bit more approachable for the average person. So if you look at my overall career, I've been in software for manufacturing test for way too many decades. I don't want to admit how many decades, but it's been more than two. So we automate processes around manufacturing tests. So somebody who manufactures an electronic component, they need to test it when they're designing it, and they test it after it's been manufactured. And so the company that I was with and still am associated with as part of their community would make the hardware and software to test things. So we were basically automating processes. And so we would automate processes, and it was automating processes that made everybody more efficient, that took away a lot of mundane tasks and repetitive tasks. So it allowed the engineers to go solve the next problem.